there, this is Hunter. I'm an online English tutor and I'm here to give you some tips on how to improve your English. Have you ever heard people using the phrase, go with the flow, and wondered what they're talking about? Well, I can help you with that. Go with the flow is a way of saying that you should try to relax and accept things. Think of it like trying not to swim against a river. The phrase was first said by a Roman emperor who thought that it was better to go with the flow than try to change things. So how would you use this phrase? Well, let me show you. When your friends decide to go skydiving, and if you're scared of heights, maybe you'll tell yourself, I'm just going with the flow while you're falling through the air. At a family gathering, maybe your aunt will decide to sing a song. Instead of just sitting there, you can grab a microphone and start singing along because why not go with the flow? Maybe you're at a wedding and someone decides to ask you to dance with them. Instead of trying to ask you many questions, you'll join in because it's easier to just go with the flow. Or maybe your boss changes the entire project at the last minute and you're not sure what to do. You'll just decide, I guess I'll go with the flow. The next time you're on a road trip with your friends and they decide to take a detour to visit somewhere you think might be boring, instead of complaining, you just decide, let's go with the flow and see where it takes us. Or maybe if you have a boyfriend and girlfriend who wants to change the furniture in the middle of the night, rather than just arguing, you'll grab a flashlight and tell yourself, I'm going with the flow. Maybe your GPS is having problems and is taking you to a place you've never been to. Instead of panicking, you can just lean back and decide, well, I might as well go with the flow. Or perhaps when your yoga instructor does a really embarrassing pose and tells you to try it, try going with the flow and see if you don't hurt yourself. The next time your friend insists on trying the newest trendy food, deep fried pickles topped with chocolate sauce, instead of just saying no, you'll take a bite and decide, I'll just go with the flow. Or the next time you're stuck in traffic on the way to work, instead of getting angry, you turn on the radio, sing along to your favorite song, and decide, I'll just go with the flow. Anyways, that will be it for today. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. When learning English, there are many things you will have to learn: vocabulary, phonics, grammar, etc. The fastest way to learn these things would be through conversation. Through conversation, you can quickly grasp the idea of words and how to better use them. I am always happy to listen to what you have to say. If you are interested in booking a lesson, please feel free to DM me. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.